7 Great Reasons to Visit South Korea. South Korea is a fascinating country with a rich culture and history. Here are the top 7 reasons why you should visit South Korea. Number 1. To experience the unique culture and history of South Korea, visitors can explore a number of traditional villages, temples, and palaces located throughout the country. A feature of South Korean culture is the emphasis on respect for elders and those in positions of authority. Filial piety is deeply rooted in Confucianism and continues to be significant in modern-day South Korea. Number 2. To see the amazing natural scenery of South Korea, visitors can hike in one of the numerous national parks or take a scenic drive along the coast. South Korea is home to a number of beautiful beaches, which are popular tourist destinations. Other popular attractions include hiking and skiing in the many national parks, as well as visiting the Demilitarized Zone, DMZ, between North and South Korea. Number 3. To enjoy the delicious food of South Korea, visitors can try a variety of traditional dishes such as kimchi, fermented cabbage, bibimbap, rice and vegetables, bulgogi, barbecued beef, and samjjaetang, ginseng chicken soup. South Korea is also famous for its street food. Number 4. Shop till you drop. Visitors can head to one of the many shopping districts in South Korea such as Myeongdong, Insadong, or Namdaemun Market. These areas are full of shops selling a variety of goods ranging from clothes and cosmetics to electronic and souvenirs. Number 5. Finally, visitors can enjoy the nightlife in South Korea by checking out the clubs and bars in Hongdae. Or, they can sing their hearts out at a Noryebang karaoke room. Number 6. South Korea temples are a popular tourist destination for those interested in experiencing the unique culture and history of the country. There are a number of different types of temples in South Korea, each with its own unique architecture and purpose. The most common type of temple is the Buddhist temple, which is used for religious worship and meditation. Number 7. South Korea festivals are a great way to experience the country's culture and traditions. There are a number of different festivals held throughout the year, celebrating a variety of different occasions. The most popular festivals include the Seoul Lunar New Year Festival, the Chuseok Harvest Festival, and the Buddha's Birthday Festival. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.